Hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sort your Excel worksheet or your Google sheet. So again, we're going to be learning how to sort. So the first thing with sorting is you always want to make sure that everything that you're sorting is selected. So the first thing that I'm going to do here in my Google sheet, you can see I've already got some data entered here. I'm going to go ahead and select all of that information that needs to be sorted. And notice I have to select A3 because I want that whole row 3 line. Now, the first way to sort is going to be to go to your data menu up at the top, come down to sort range. Now, do notice that you have these options for sort A to Z, sort Z to A. That is basically going to go by your first column there, and that's not what we want. So go to sort range. When you go into sort range, you're going to see data has a header row, and you want to check that if you have header rows. And now you can actually see the names of each of them. So if I'm wanting to sort by northeast or southeast, I can do that. So let's just say southeast, for example. I can choose that. I can choose sort A to Z. And notice I can even add another sort column. But I'm going to go ahead and sort that. And so now if I'm looking at the southeast, I sorted it A to Z, which is ascending, which is low to high. So you can see it starts with the lowest number and it goes into the highest number. And again, you can see that it sorts everything with it. So again, you're going to find that under data and sort range. All right, let's change over to Excel. I've got the exact same information in there. So once again, I'm going to select all of the data. Now here in Excel, if we look over here on the right of the home ribbon, the editing group, we have the sort and filter option. Again, you've got this A to Z, Z to A, which is going to do that first column, and that's not what we want. So you always really want to go to custom sort. Even if you are doing the first column, I like to custom sort just to make sure I'm getting the right thing. All right, and then again, I'm going to choose what to sort by, and I'm going to go ahead and sort by whatever it is that I'm using. Notice that the data headers is selected there. So this time, why don't we do it by northwest, and we'll do it in descending order, which would be low to high. And so now if we are looking at southwest, notice how I did mess up here with the totals, okay? So let me actually undo that and let me go ahead and try that again without the total row. And why wouldn't I need the total row? Well, these are gonna actually stay in place column-wise. So let's actually try that again. Northwest, high to low. There we go. And now we've got it going from high to low. And again, that number still matches up because we didn't actually switch the columns. We were only switching the rows. All right, so that's sort and filter, no matter whether it's in Excel or in Google. And I will see you guys next time.